In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see notes in Canva when presenting. This is a great way to keep your presentation organized and ensure you never miss a key talking point. Let's dive right in and walk through each step together. First things first, you'll want to log into your Canva account. If you haven't already done so, navigate to Canva's website and enter your login details. Once you're in, you'll have access to all your saved designs and projects. Next, click on the presentation you wish to prepare for. This is an important step because you want to make sure that all the content you intend to present is set up and ready to go. Spend a moment reviewing your slides to ensure everything is in its right place and that any notes you plan to use are already included in each slide's notes section. If you haven't added notes yet, now's a good time to do so. When your presentation is prepped and everything looks good, you'll need to click on the Present button. You'll typically find this option at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking it will bring up several different present modes and options to choose from. Now, select Presenter View. This is an essential part of the process because Presenter View is what enables you to see your notes while presenting. When you click this option, Canva will open a separate window that's designed to enhance the presenter's experience. In this new window, you'll see an option to click Present. Click it. Doing so will open up another window that is designed specifically for you as the presenter. This window becomes your personal control panel during your presentation, where you can efficiently manage your slides and keep track of your notes. At this point, you're ready to present. You'll find that this setup provides a streamlined view with your main slides on the left and your notes on the right side of your screen. This allows you to easily glance over at your notes while communicating with your audience, helping you stay on message. Using Presenter View in Canva is a wonderful tool that can make your delivery smoother, more efficient, and professionally polished. It allows you to keep your focus on the room while effortlessly reminding you of talking points and key messages. As you become more familiar with this feature, it'll help you present with greater confidence and clarity, turning every presentation into a compelling story. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to see your notes in Canva while presenting. I hope these steps will improve your next presentation, and feel free to reach out with any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!